This kit was made for those who create with care. What's in the July box? Just a peek. In the July box, we have fun add-ons that come with this box, including ribbon and sequin embellishments that have adhesive already on the back. You choose if they go on the card intended for, or if you place them on the others. The ribbon is dual colored in the green color family of jade and teal, a smooth texture and slight sheen. Both edges have a narrow border with a subtly raised edge where the border meets the center. Flexible and soft, suitable for adding contrast and dimensions to handmade cards for tactile crafts. A photo description: a cropped, blurred photo of the dual ribbon with the narrow border rolling off the spool, quietly waiting to add soft touches for you. The ribbon is partially hidden behind tissue paper with other elements matching this card set behind it, waiting to be used.